Matty from BuiltRight here, and today we're going to be jumping into a product overview of our seat back MOLLE panel kits. Right now we offer these for Fords, GMs, Dodges, and Toyota trucks. Let's jump into it. There's no plastic, there's no straps. You're using metal components, you're using metal hardware. We are creating effectively a frame outside of the seat for you to mount stuff onto. So in front of me, I have a seat out of our two-door Bronco, which is actually behind us. And you don't need to take your seat out to install any of this. We have our seat out for demonstration purposes. So we have our panel, we have our upper bracket, a couple of headrest mounting posts, and a lower bracket. And this all ties into the seat frame rigidly, so the seat can still move, the seat can still function as normal. Let's jump into the F-150 and take a look at what we got going on over there. So here we are in our F-150, where we have a seat back MOLLE panel kit installed on both our driver and our passenger seats. On our passenger seat, we have a 3-piece pouch kit. These pouches are great for storing things like your first aid kit, maybe some tools, snacks, drinks, whatever. We've seen people mount up a couple of pack-up boxes. Me personally, I use a couple of carabiners. I have my first aid kit. I have a couple of radios for the firehouse. Those guys that are Pro 2A, they're big into these, storing whatever they need to. On these panels, guys are also throwing our quick fist clamps with some risers on there for fire extinguishers, small hand tools, flashlights, whatever it might be. The other thing guys like to do is hang stuff off of the MOLLE panel using clips and hooks. Really whatever you need. These MOLLE panels are great, but you throw whatever you want on here. We're continuing to add fitments to our seatback MOLLE panel kit line of products. If you're interested in learning more about these for your vehicle, visit us at BuiltRightInd.com. Thanks for watching.